Useful gifts, the art of giving something meaningful. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the concept of useful gifts. This is a common phrase in English that goes beyond its literal meaning. Stick around to find out what makes a gift useful, and why this is important in English-speaking cultures. Let's dive in. When we say useful gifts, we're talking about presents that are not just thoughtful, but also practical. Practicality is key here. These are gifts that the recipient can use regularly, and they often solve a problem or fulfill a need. For example, a quality backpack for a student or a kitchen appliance for someone who loves cooking. In many cultures, the usefulness of a gift is as important as its sentimental value. A useful gift shows that the giver has put thought into what the recipient needs or would genuinely enjoy. It's not just about spending money, it's about showing care and understanding. Let's look at some examples. 1. Books for someone who loves reading. 2. A fitness tracker for a health enthusiast. 3. Cooking classes for a budding chef. 4. Noise-canceling headphones for a music lover or a student. These gifts are not only enjoyable but also enhance the recipient's daily life. Useful gifts are appropriate for almost any occasion, be it birthdays, graduations, or holidays. The key is to consider the lifestyle and interests of the person receiving the gift. It shows that you've paid attention to what matters to them. In summary, a useful gift is one that is practical and enhances the recipient's life in a meaningful way. It's a wonderful way to show your appreciation and care. We hope this video helps you in choosing your next gift. Remember, it's the thought and usefulness that count. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.